Hey YouTube, I already made a video about my Ram 1500, but I didn't get to show y'all the engine. I told you I would. So, let me pop the hood. My engine, let me go turn it on. I'll show you the exhaust too, if I can get to it. Starts up good. Everything on. Sounds kind of squeaky with the belt. Sounds kind of weird. Need to go get it checked out. Let me show y'all the exhaust. It's just a V8. So there's a lot of exhaust. Sounds pretty loud. Well, it stinks too. Well, that's my engine. There's my fan. Well, that's my engine of my Dodge 98 Dodge Ram. Thanks for watching.